Welcome to ProfitForgeAI, friends. I'm really excited to have you here for the very first video on our channel. My goal is to provide you with professional and clear market analysis, both technical and fundamental, so you can better understand what's happening in financial markets. Today, let's dive straight into Ethereum, one of the most important assets in the crypto space. On TradingView, let's open Ethereum against USDT on Binance, and we'll work with the chart here. I've already mapped out some Elliott waves, labeled A, B, C, D, and E, and currently, we're waiting for the next wave. As you can clearly see, Ethereum has been in a bullish structure. Both the daily and weekly timeframes show higher highs being formed. On the weekly chart, ETH has already broken through its previous highs and is now retesting the breakout zone. This retest, or price pullback, could be the foundation for a new bullish rally. Now, let's look closer on the daily chart using Fibonacci extension. This tool helps us measure possible price targets based on the size of previous moves. For those new to technical analysis, Fibonacci levels like 0.618 or 0.786 are widely respected by traders as zones where reversals often happen. Right now, ETH has tapped the 0.786 retracement perfectly, which historically is one of the strongest reversal points. At the same time, price is reacting to a major order block and liquidity zone. When we see repeated wicks forming here, it shows buyers are defending this level. That gives us confidence this could be the area where Ethereum bounces back upward. So what's next? Bullish scenario. If ETH holds this liquidity zone, my next targets are around $5,000 and $5,500 based on Fibonacci extension levels. Bearish scenario. However, if ETH breaks down below this order block, we could see a correction toward $3,900 or even $4,000. It's important to be prepared for both directions. Risk management always matters more than prediction. Now let's analyze BTC dominance. I've marked key support and resistance levels. Currently, dominance is dropping, which means money is flowing from Bitcoin into altcoins. This is exactly the condition we want to see for Ethereum to outperform. Looking at Total 2, the crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, we also see a clear bullish structure. Higher highs are forming and capital is steadily shifting into altcoins. Historically, whenever Total 2 is bullish, Ethereum often leads the move. The last time ETH broke a major long-term resistance like this was in 2021. Back then, it rallied more than 200% in just a few months. While past performance doesn't guarantee the future, market psychology often repeats itself. Traders recognize similar breakout patterns and react the same way. Beyond technicals, fundamentals are very supportive right now. More than 27% of ETH supply is locked in staking, reducing circulating supply. Institutional adoption is rising. Many funds are now allocating into ETH alongside BTC. The Ethereum network continues to dominate decentralized finance and NFT ecosystems. When supply is reduced and demand is rising, price tends to follow. Checking CoinDesk and Cointelegraph, most recent news around Ethereum is very positive. Governments are increasingly discussing regulations that indirectly support ETH adoption. Developers are active, upgrades keep rolling out, and whale wallets are holding rather than selling. Even on X, formerly Twitter, sentiment is bullish. Whale activity shows heavy accumulation. This is a strong sign that smart money is preparing for a bigger move. So putting all of this together, technicals, fundamentals, and sentiment, Ethereum looks ready for a bullish continuation. The only condition is that it holds the current liquidity zone. If it does, the path toward new highs is wide open. But remember, nothing is guaranteed. Risk management is key, and you should always prepare for alternative scenarios. What do you guys think? Will Ethereum reach $5,000 before Bitcoin hits $100,000? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching our very first video here on ProfitForgeAI. Please support us by liking and subscribing, and tell me which other assets you'd like me to analyze in the next video.